Alright, so I'm just doing a few things to this backhoe now that it's back at home. I have to put the I have to put some of this covering, this pipe, around some of the hoses. So what I gotta do is I gotta measure it, and I can take it downstairs and cut them. I gotta do that, and then I'm gonna put a windshield up here, protect me from all these hydraulic lines here, but I just want to cover up these ones. I gotta fix this valve, the valve that kind of got a little broken, not broken, but it needs to be some maintenance and repairs done to it. I'm not sure if it's broken or if it's just come loose, but this is the one that come loose when I was running the trommel. So I gotta fix that. I gotta put the covering over all these hoses here, and then I gotta put the windshield on, which that might be well, I probably won't do that. I don't know when I'm gonna actually put it on the backhoe. I got a bunch of things I gotta weld for the trommel. I'm gonna weld this. I'm just gonna kind of get everything kind of, a list of everything that needs to be welded, all the metals required, and then someday I can, this winter, I can just pick a day, get all the welding stuff set up, and just do all my welding kind of in one go. So, all right, so I'm gonna do the first one. And I'm gonna have to get a Sharpie. Which I do not seem to have. I just thought I did. Which means I'm gonna have to run upstairs and grab one. I know I took this one somewhere. Alright. Alright, the next one is 7.5. Then I gotta figure out how to cut these lengthways. This is what you call trying to do something when you don't have the proper tools for the job, but when you don't have the proper tools, sometimes you just don't, so it is what it is. Alright, so I gotta do 4 at 10 3/4. That's 2. Alright, so I got a bunch of the concentrate panned out. I was doing it in that bucket over there. And here is my stuff here. And here's some of the concentrate right here in the bucket. So now I'm going to go over to the backhoe and I'm going to see if I can fix this this valve. There's where I was doing the panning in. So I did a bunch of work to these hydraulic hoses here. You can see I put a bunch of more of that pipe around some of the exposed hose, and now I just got to put a couple of side plates right here to protects from any leaks, and then I'm going to put a windshield up, and I'm going to put a little covering over next to the valves to kind of protect my hands there. So alright, so now I'm just going to fix this valve right here. if you can see that. It's kind of crowded in here. Hope you can see that. Hoping I got enough tools here. Just taking this top piece off. And I think I just have to, I'm not sure, I'm hoping I don't got to replace this, because so basically I just have to take this lever off. Another thing I gotta do is I think I gotta put some silicone on the tank here, because where the sight glass is, because I think it might be getting water in there. So I gotta build a hopper for this trommel, because how this got broken was I was having to go like that to shake the bucket, and it ended up just shaking itself loose in here. So this valve's obviously not made for doing something like that. So right. So I gotta take this bottom plate and lift it up so I can get a vice grip in there onto that bottom plunger. Okay, so I'm gonna have to get another okay, so I got this one. And I think I'll put some Loctite on this.